In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an online music visualizer for free for your videos. So this is going to be online, it's going to be free as well, like I just said. So what you want to do is go to Google and then search for, let's see, musicvid.org. So go to that website, musicvid.org. If you then scroll down, you'll find these templates, which are pretty cool templates. So there are a couple of them that you can start using. So I recommend figuring this out on yourself and just choose the one that you would like. So I'll go with this one over here, Circle Spectrum. You want to click on it. Step number one is to choose your own music song. I'm just going to go with the sample file since I don't actually create music myself, but upload your own song over there. Like I said, I'll go with the sample file. And you'll then have this template over here. So this looks pretty decent already, but you can actually start changing all of this. So if you click on background, you can customize it. So just move these around and then you can change that. You can move this around. I'll leave this at 0, which is perfect. But yeah, this is where you can change it. So you can change the brightness, the background image, you can change the mirror, the vignette amount, the opacity, all of it. If I just go back to quick settings, let me do that. Background, you can also change the spectrum itself, so you can fill or stroke. So you can see where this is going, guys. You can customize all of this on here in the quick setting tab, but I'll leave that up to you guys. I don't want to drag this video out too long, but you can change the colors if you want to, so you can change that around. You can make it red if you want, but I'll just keep it white for now because that looks pretty cool. Now once you're done with this, once again you can upload your own audio here if you forgot to do that. You can change the layers, you can automation settings. So this is pretty much where you can change and update and edit your video. Now let me show you an example of what that looks like. So if I just mute the audio and then just click play, you'll see what it looks like. So that looks pretty cool, right? That looks pretty cool. And there we go. So yeah, we've now got our own music visualizer. So this is a sample song, but like I said, you can add your own song by going to audio and then uploading it. Once you're done, simply click export and you can then start exporting the file. So you can do 60 FPS, the file name is right there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, if you appreciate this quick tutorial, and by the way, you need to sign up in order to actually export it. I forgot to sign in right now. But yeah, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.